Hello, everyone. This is Steve from Beyond the Trades, giving you a preview of the Micro E futures and the equities ETC trading room. You get two trading rooms in one when you're a member of our community. This is a community that Confessions of a Market Maker co-host JJ VWAP Trader mentors at, trades at, as does his co-host All Day Ray. JJ mans and moderates the Micro E future side of the house, as well as a contributed educator over in equities ETC, where Ray moderates the equities ETC room and is somewhat of an expert at coding and back testing some really neat trade ideas, screen shares and scans and charts that he uses with the group. So the purpose of this video is to give non-members as well as new members that might have just joined us an opportunity to see what the room is all about, to take a look around, see all that we offer, because we do offer so much as part of our 24/7 trading room communities, including cryptocurrencies and NFTs, as well as even a sports wagering and player props room. We're open 24/7, and we have a ton of live as well as recorded information, content, trading strategies, as well as training vaults. So let's take a look, okay? When new members sign on, they'll be brought to a new members start here page. And if you look on the screen share, we're getting an idea of what we look like, okay? So there is an opportunity for new members to see all that we have to offer, but also where to navigate, okay? It might look like there are many channels, but there is logic and easy navigation throughout each. So let's take a look at a typical day, okay, on the Micro E futures ES side of the house. So you will have a live, and follow my cursor here, a live trading and education room. And in that is the ES live trading desk. And that ES live trading desk trades a Globex futures through the evening, as well as the regular trading hours, ES, Micro ES, throughout the day. And this is an area where you will see JJ, a VWAP trader, actually screen sharing, teaching, and trading live once the market opens, or even if it's pre-market, or even after hours during Globex, if he so chooses to be trading during the evening. But he does have a session every day, twice a day, in this room. And as you can see, as I'm scrolling, you will see charts being posted. You will see comments and questions being asked. JJ is on Zoom screen sharing, but he answers questions right here in this chat room. And this is an excellent opportunity for our other professional traders. And we do have many who also assist new members with answering questions. So you get a lot more than just JJ and VWAP Trader as far as education is concerned. Okay. Speaking of live Zoom screen sharing, okay, we have a live Zoom screen sharing schedule. And this is a good opportunity if you do not know what is happening throughout the day or an evening to take a look. As you can see, okay, on the Micro E future side of the house, which we are on, okay, if you look over at the cursor here, you can see we have an equities ETC logo as well as the Micro E futures logo. Those are our two rooms. But you can see that there's a 9 a.m. Eastern time JJ morning educational session where he teaches market profile and also trades the live ES trading sessions. Then at 3 p.m., okay, there's a market recap closing bell session where JJ is on live during the last hour of the market trading. The time that he is not on live, he is in that ES live trading room that we just clicked on that we were in before. Okay, then the evening sessions. And JJ is on 3 times during the week in the evenings. I know he's on so much. He's on at from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time for the start of Globex. He's on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Sunday, he reviews the upcoming week. Tuesday, it's a market profile basics for individuals and traders who are brand new to market profile. And then on Thursday, it's a question and answering session with the members. All these sessions that I just mentioned do get recorded. And if you look at my cursor, are posted in the replay room. So for those of you who work or cannot make a live session, they are recorded and posted in the replay room for you to look at later on in the day. And many individuals do that as part of their after hours trading, okay? Now on the micro E future side of the room, we also have a live Zoom screen sharing sessions, and that's for stocks and cryptocurrencies and options. And here, and we'll go over to that room in a bit, we do have a 9:15 to 4 p.m. live Zoom screen sharing sessions where Trade Ideas scans, and Trade Ideas is a back testing software, are actually Zoom screen share for our members. So members that do not have the ability to get Trade Ideas for whatever reason, most of it is because at this time they're trying to build up their accounts and cannot afford the $99, whatever it costs. We do Zoom screen share a bunch of good back tested scans that moderator all day Ray, okay, will be Zoom screen sharing. And Ray is on mic all morning. So from 9:15 all the way up to 12:30, Ray is on mic live trading as well as commentating the market action. Then at 12 noon to 12:30, JJ and Ray get together over in equities and have an equities market profile session in which members have the opportunity to ask them both, and JJ will pull up market profile TPO charts to review whatever stocks that they might be interested in trading or actually trading, and both will give their analysis and insights. Then at 1 p.m., we have a swing trading session with our educator, Tom, also known as Pause in the room. And Pause is a swing trader as well as an ES trader, uses market profiles, uses candlesticks, and he has a great following of members, and they review excellent swing trading opportunities and they chart them. And it's a really good collaborating session. And collaborating is a key in our micro E futures and equities ETC room, as there is collaborations not only on trades, but on ideas and concepts. And there are so many different ways to succeed at trading. And we tend to have individuals, professionals, full-time traders, all right, that jump in and help out for the many different ways that traders might be seeking to trade. And really what I'm saying is you have to find your own way, your own style that works. And usually we have a professional in the room that can assist you for the style that you feel might be working best for your trading. Okay. We do have virtual happy hours, usually held once a week, in which the room members kind of kick back. It's only mandatory that you do have drinks, and it's usually after hours, and it's on Zoom. And we do have moderators and educators actually discussing trading concepts, charts, recaps, but also in a very entertaining and fun manner because it is a happy hour. It's like us all going out if we worked on Wall Street, going out to a bar after the market closes and just shooting the breeze while also talking trading. So it's very exciting what we offer. It's so community-based, okay? So community-based that we also have Las Vegas Meetups, okay? And we just had a Las Vegas Meetup this past September. It was highly attended. It was so much fun. We tend to run our meetups, which are free for members to attend, at the same time of trading conferences. So our members get 2 for 1. You get a meetup with our group and our sessions and our entertaining after hours. We all go out together. but you also have the opportunity to get some education in as far as trading conferences are concerned. Our next trading room meetup will be in late February during the same time as the Money Show Traders Expo, as you see my cursor moving. And we do have two of our members, educators, actually speaking at the Money Show as an added bonus. We have Ray, okay, who will be speaking on probabilities in trading, and Steve Hedge, who is our resident options expert, will be speaking on options and options probabilities. It's going to be very exciting. We have a host of activities planned. It's being held at the Bally's Paris. There are joint casinos, joint conference room area. It's late February, discount hotel prices, and we really encourage everyone to attend if they can. We do have a thread of pictures being posted, live recaps. It's a lot of fun. And we have a whole channel room dedicated to information on that. Okay, and I just wanted to point out how we try to merge education with our communities, and lifelong friends are being made in our rooms. We do have new members start here sections, as I mentioned before, to help guide you in all of this, so you don't have to keep watching this video replay that I have. But we also have market profile basic channel rooms, and in the market profile basic channel rooms, if you're brand new to market profile and you want to do more than just listen to JJ teaching live, we do have document trading note videos based on topics and subjects that you can go back to and learn market profile at your own pace. Okay, I mentioned that we do have replay rooms where all of our live sessions are typically recorded, or most of our live sessions are typically recorded, and you can go back and watch the live trading sessions. We also have JJ VWAP Trader One has a written analysis room where JJ will give you written analysis on the markets. Okay, so this is an area where you can go by day to see his comments, his charts, as far as how he is following the markets, how he's trading the markets for that day. And in addition to the written analysis room, JJ also completes short videos on concepts on the market. They're usually anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes in length, but they cover so many different key areas. For those of you who like videos over written analysis, you can just come into this video room of JJ's. We do have a non-ES futures room. So if you like to trade crude oil, as you see, Glenn is trading crude oil. You like to trade corn, syrup, whatever that is non-ES, okay, gold, okay, this is the room to be in for any non-ES futures. And JJ, as you see, will also post his TPO charts. We do have professional commodity traders, and they are in this room, and they will assist new members. We also have what we call an off-topic mansion room. This is an area where a lot of members get together on their own to discuss trading without any moderators. They self-moderate themselves. They discuss what they're seeing in the market. We tend to have seasoned, more experienced traders as the leaders of this group, but it's open to everyone. And this room is also open for any off-topic trading. So meeting, if you want to discuss what you're doing on the weekend, anything non-trading related can also be posted here. Okay, and then we have a new feature, and it's highly popular. It's called the Pores Educational Corner. Pores is known as Tom. Tom is a member of the room who has been mentored by JJ for market profile and ES for several years now, I believe, or going on several years. He's also an accomplished candlestick trader, managing a small family office for his family as far as stocks are concerned. He is highly popular in the room, great guy, a lot of people like him, and he is really teaching and trading and has his own room. He is on mic with JJ during the morning and afternoons. He also hosts his own swing trading afternoon session over on the equities ETC side of the house, stock side of the house we'll go to shortly. But he also posts his ES game plans, videos, and also his chart books. And speaking of chart books, if you notice the bold, white bold highlighted down here, JJ also posts his chart books. And really simply what that means for those of you brand new, the charts that you see that they have that are automated, bringing up levels, etc., you'll have the ability to have the same exact chart, meaning your chart will look exactly the same as theirs. So the chart books are updated and posted. Then we have additional trading. Okay, we have an area where members can post their trades to get reviewed. So if you had a good trade, bad trade, and just want to share it, ask for comments and feedback, we have a trade review sections for members to post their trades. Excellent educational area. We also have videos and documents. So these are additional tradings. We do bring in guests like Jared Tenla, who is a mental trading coach. We do bring in Brian Shannon. We've brought in, Chem, for those of you that are into Gamma. We bring in guests and their recordings or their sessions are recorded and posted here. We also have special videos by JJ, Ray, myself, and others that will be posted in the video training room. We also have our YouTube and podcast room. Confessions of a Market Maker co-hosts are Ray and JJ, and they have some of the world's best traders, hedge fund managers, actors from the hit TV show Billions, Mark Cuban, Pomp from the crypto world, Patrick Bet-David. They have a host of very interesting and educational guests, high-profile guests on this podcast, and you can really see how professional traders think and act by watching this podcast. So you have access to that podcast through this link. We also have a book recommendation area where members as well as educators and moderators can post what books they are reading and why they think it's a good book for other members to read. And then we also have a software support room. And in the software support room, okay, not only do we have the chart books that, as I mentioned before, but for those of you that are using market profile and TPO charts, there is a Sierra charting network or channel room of support where members will help each other out with whatever issues they have in setting up their charts, setting up their software. We also have Diane Pena, who is a Sierra charting expert. She's actually contracted by Sierra Charts to help with their support session. She is a valued member of our room, and she has programs together where she can actually assist members in getting set up where they don't have to do anything. So that's an opportunity. We also have videos on Sierra, but we also have a support room for other software, because we do realize that not every member will be using Sierra charting for their market profile TPO charts on the market profile side of the house. So we do have a software support room for other software. And then we just have miscellaneous, where a popular channel is the food and travel pictures, where members will just really post a lot of really neat stuff where they're traveling around the world, their hometowns. We do have members across the globe in so many different countries. So we get to see what their cuisine is, what they drink there, what they travel, what the mountains look like, the lakes look like. It's a really neat room. We have our Vegas Meetup recap room. Yes, that is Omar trading in his Vegas hotel room during one of our meetups. Obviously, that's not Omar. We just played a little joke on him by posting this picture. But as you can see, we actually had a live thread going on while the team was out in Vegas last time. And obviously, we'll do the same again for our next meetup in late February. So that is the Micro E future side of the house. Now, what comes with your membership also is access to the equities ETC side of the house. And it is really just a click of this button. So Micro E futures, you click this icon. You want to go to stocks and cryptos, you click on the equities ETC blue icon, and the room is set up the same way. So I'll go somewhat quickly. I'll stop to talk about the differences. We do have a new member start here room on the equity side. We have the Zoom Live scheduling screen. We also have what's really neat. It's called the bot command alerts. You ever wonder, okay, what each stock, statistics, financials, float sizes, what institutions are in them? What percent are owned by institutions? What's the order flow? What's the premiums for the options? We have a room where you simply type in a command, okay, and it provides all that information for you. Highly, highly popular. Instantly, you can get the data you need to help you with a stock and a stock trade. We have our live trading rooms, our live trading desks, which is for day and swing trading. And as you can see, we are in our morning pre-market on Monday. I am recording this, and you can see as early as 7 o'clock in the morning, we have trade idea scans being posted. We have ideas being discussed. We also have and during the trading day, you will see, including weekends, you will see members posting ideas, concepts, even charts with analysis, okay? Charts with analysis, price alerts throughout the day. And this is the room where when Ray is on a Zoom screen share throughout the day and speaking and sharing his screens and his trades, this is where the members hang out and they'll post questions and they'll communicate back and forth with one another. We also have the options trading desk, and these are for our option traders. And let me tell you, we have high-level option traders who assist brand new option traders, and it is a very good room for collaborating on options. We do post option scans, order flow, unusual options activity. It's a growing, very popular room. Speaking of growing and popular, now place your bets, people. And what that meme is really suggesting is we have one hell of a cryptocurrency room where they are day trading, swing trading, using technical analysis with candlesticks, using technical analysis, if you can call it as such, with TPO market profile charts. Also having long-term holding type of thesis analysis on which projects are good. Yesterday on Sunday, there was a great, I don't want to say debate, but educational session on the difference in what exactly is blockchain, layer 1 versus layer 2, proof of concept versus proof of stakes. It's an excellent area to learn exactly what cryptocurrency is, Bitcoin, blockchain, and which of the projects, coins out there are legit where you can make money. I will honestly say this cryptocurrency room in 2021, some of these individuals have made unbelievable amounts of money, and that is no BS. One individual, okay, Fibonacci Mafia Queen, actually made enough money to purchase herself a house. And I believe it was on VeChain, but it was on one of the coins that really rocketed in 2021. We also have a Traders Lounge chat room, similar to the off-topic rooms in the Micro E Futures side of the house. And this is where members can post anything off-topic, just hang out, kick their feet up, just chit-chat, because a lot of friendships are being made. It's just an excellent room. Other rooms we have, there's the stack Pores guys again, and we call Pores, who's known as Tom, as he has his own equities corner. Because he is that popular. And in here, Tom posts his swing trading information, charts, analysis, video recaps of his afternoon session. Remember, I mentioned we do run a afternoon session live on Zoom with Tom hosting. We have an NFT Metaverse Room. What is the NFT? What is Metaverse? And yes, these folks are making unbelievable money. Our NFT Metaverse Room was probably the first NFT Metaverse Room really available at this side. We have individuals involved in Zed-Run horse racing, as well as all the ape types of NFTs, Comic-Con. It could just go on and on. The money being made, okay, not only in NFTs, but also discussing the metaverse and what are good stocks to buy that are metaverse based, as well as cryptocurrency. So it's an area for not only learning where you can have some fun in this space, but also make yourself some decent money, some highly educated people on the space. So if you don't know anything about it, you come to this room and you'll get caught up to speed really quickly. We also have a newly added sports wagering, daily fantasy sports, as well as player props room for our true degens that just like to trade and also sports bet. This room is fantastic. A lot of the individuals in this room uses algorithmic software that is now available through Fantasy Labs and others to actually give themselves somewhat of a statistical edge, many feel, in this area. So there is not just blind trading going on. Well, there are some in DGen's blind trading, but there is also a lot of smart individuals trying to get an edge. And it's just not football, baseball, hockey. You'll also have, boxing and MMA fighting, excuse me. For those of you that are into the future, which is coding, we do have a coding room where we do have members coding algorithmic AI scans. I personally like to code some scans and use them and back test them in my trading, as does Ray, but we do have many others, anywhere from using Python to C++ to TOS to trade ideas. It's a wide range, but it's an area where members are constantly communicating. It's also a great area for individuals that just want to learn what coding is really about in this day and age in trading, which really most of trading is machine these days, at least on the institutional side of the house. It's an excellent area to learn. And then our typical trading strategies room, we have a JJ profile TPO chart rooms. Yes, JJ is very active on the equities ETC side, and JJ will take members' requests to look at certain stocks where JJ can give his analysis. We also have a strategy room where we list day trading setups and strategies so you can learn the strategies the educators are using. They are documents as well as videos, and there are a ton of strategies, whether the market's going up, the market's going down, the market's going up and down same day, the market's consolidating. We have different strategies that are back tested, so they are constantly changing based on market conditions. For day trading, also for our swing traders, we have the same, okay, strategies being used. We also have our training document videos where, similar to the Micro E future side of the house, whatever guests we bring in a room, we record their guest sessions with us are placed here, as well as JJ, Ray, myself, Chris Hanks, and others that may have videos, training videos get edited here. We also have that link to the YouTube podcast, The Confessions of a Market Maker, that I mentioned earlier. And then to conclude, we also have our software questions trade idea software room, because many members use trade ideas. It's not required because we screen share it, but it explains what it is. Our book recommendation center, where you can discuss books that you are reading that are applicable to trading stocks. So that is what we offer. And as you can see, we offer a lot. And what we offer a lot for is unbelievably, and I'm not here to pump the room, but it's only $49 a month, and you can go month to month. Or if you wanted to go annually, it would only be $299 annually for 12 months. But for $49, you can give us a try. You get all of this month to month. If you don't like what we offer, and trust me, you will. But if you do not like it, you simply cancel after a month. And all this content that I showed you, the training videos, recordings, are all yours. So it's unbelievable, okay, what you get from us. And we really hope you join us, because we have an unbelievable, great community. As you can see, look at all these members. Just look, all these members, right? These are all the members, the highlighted ones that are on now. And it is what, 8:20 in the morning Eastern time on a Monday. And all these traders are on live now. Look at them, all of them, right? Many of them, okay, are becoming good friends. And these are the members that are off, that are still in bed sleeping. So as you can see, we have a ton of members, and we have moderators galore, traders galore. We are not too big. We are a very close-knit family, even though we're somewhat large. So hopefully you join us. If not, you just had a great preview of everything we have to offer. I'm going to wish everyone a great day today. Okay, good luck in your trading. And if you need anything, feel free to reach out to any of us on Twitter. We'll gladly help you, whether you're a member or not. Take care, everyone. Good luck.